Hi guys and welcome back to a new tutorial. For me it's Friday evening. Oh, I see, it's o'clock. It's already Saturday morning because we're 1 o'clock in the night. So let's hurry up and let's do great stuff after my intro. As already informed, it's Saturday morning, so this is only a short and quick tutorial, and I hope you like it. I got my idea in the kitchen because I was making a drink and I was putting some ice cubes in it, and I was looking at the ice cubes and was thinking, okay, let's take great pictures with ice cubes. It's a long time ago that you did it. You can find several videos here on my channel with ice cubes, with stuff in it, or with melting ice cubes, etc. But today I like to take only pictures with blank ice cubes. It's very easy and the effect is very cool. So let's go ahead with the material. Yes, it's true, you need ice cubes in the winter, and my ice cubes already melted or nearly gone because I did already my pictures and it's very warm here in my room. But you need fresh and cold ice cubes out of the freezer. And then I have here a mini aquarium, but you don't need a mini aquarium. You can also use a water glass or a water bowl. It's important that your item is transparent. And then I use a bigger aquarium for a table because I don't have a glass table. You can also use a normal glass table or a glass board. It's important that you can put a light below it, and the light is only a torch I'm using today. And in the front of my torch I have different color folds in blue and turquoise to get a more cold effect on the ice cubes. And for camera items you need a tripod, and I prefer the one with a turnaround center pole that you can make great pictures from above, or the one for my micro. I have it here with a movable arm. It's also very helpful if you like to take pictures from above. And my next item for the camera is a remote switch that I don't shake. And my camera is Olympus OMD1 Mark II, the one who is filming me right now. My lenses are the 17mm. It's already on my camera and filming me right now. And my 60mm macro lens. And these are my both lenses I used for my pictures. And now I think we can go ahead with the setup. Tonight my setup is very easy, and as I already explained, I don't have a glass table. In my case I use a big aquarium, and on top of this aquarium I place my mini aquarium, and later on you can place in the mini aquarium your ice cubes. And for light I use only my torch, and in front of my torch I placed my color folds to get a bluish light, and I placed my torch below my mini aquarium and place the bluish folds on top. And now you can see my mini aquarium is lighted up in blue. And then I take my pictures from above, and the second style was I moved around my mini aquarium and take also my pictures from above. And the last one was I placed some ice cubes on the transparent surface on my big aquarium and take also some pictures from above, though it was very easy and I think you can handle it. And let's go ahead with my camera settings. I used the mode Aperture Priority by Olympus. This is mode A, and I focused manually and I switched on the focus peaking effect, and focus peaking are very helpful if you focus manually because then you can see which area are sharp and where is sitting the focus. And then I switched off the image stabilization because I used my tripod, and my ISO was by 200. My exposure time was set automatically because I used mode A. And for aperture I use the complete range because sometimes I like to have more sharpness in my pictures and sometimes I like to have more blurry effect and a better bouquet in my pictures. And now I think we can go ahead with my results.
thought of you. A long blonde hair and your beautiful smile. Your sense of humor makes it all worthwhile. Don't make me wait, it's not a funny game. You know just what I feel. Please tell me our love is real. You make me smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, I can't get enough. You make me happy, I feel so fine. Oh, how I wish that you were mine. I can't get enough. Hopeless lover, a hopeless lover. Smile when I think of you. If I am down or when I am blue, and I can't get.
I hope you had a lot of fun with my tutorial. It's already Saturday morning and I have to go to bed because I'm already very tired. But I had a lot of fun to take pictures with you or for you. And I hope you liked it too. And if yes, please leave me a comment below that I know that I don't waste my time here in the middle of the night. And I think we will see us next Friday here on my channel with something creative, what's in my mind and what I like to do. And now I wish you a good night or whatever. I don't know your time exactly, but for me it's early in the morning. And now I'm talking bullshit. So let's see us next Friday here. Ciao!